Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling the P0403 error code, Exhaust Gas Recirculation Circuit Malfunction. If you've seen this code on your OBD scanner, you're in the right place. We'll go through what it means, its causes, and how you can fix it. The P0403 code is an indication that the engine exhaust gas recirculation circuit EGR has malfunctioned. The engine control module ECM detects either a short or open circuit in the EGR vacuum control solenoid or wiring to the solenoid. Faulty EGR valve, clogged EGR passage, disconnected or damaged vacuum lines, faulty EGR-related sensor. Issues with the EGR control circuit, such as damaged wires or poor connections. Illuminated check engine light, engine hesitation. Difficulty in starting the engine, rough idling. Reduced power or poor acceleration. Engine knocking or detonation, reduced fuel economy. An issue with the PCM, such as software in need of an update. Looking at the engine from the front, the EGR valve is located towards the rear of the engine, just to the right side of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it up with a WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours for the solvent to get rid of all the carbon buildups. After the cleaned EGR valve gets dry, reinstall it back in the car. If it is too dirty to be cleaned, you may replace it with a new EGR valve. The intake manifold sits on top of the engine and plays a key role in the combustion process. First, carefully remove the intake manifold from the engine. Use the WD-40 cleaner to clean up the crud inside the intake manifold and wipe it well to make sure all the carbon buildup is now removed. Reinstall the intake manifold back after the cleaned intake manifold is dried. Once everything is cleaned and reinstalled, plug in your OBD scanner again and clear the P0403 code. Now it's time for a test drive. Drive your car for a few miles to see if the check engine light comes back on. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide helped you understand and fix the P0403 code on your car. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And remember, tackling these kinds of repairs not only saves you money but also helps keep your car running smoothly. See you in the next video.